How to reactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch a Facebook app. Now navigate to login page. Here you'll need to provide your credentials. Enter your email or phone number and password just like you normally would. After you fill out this, click on the option Login. Facebook will automatically begin the reactivation process. If your account was not permanently deleted, it will be restored instantly, including your posts, friends, and profile info. If Facebook asks you to confirm your identity, follow the on-screen steps. This may include a code sent to your email or phone, or verifying a recent login location. After you complete this process, your account will be reactivated and you'll be logged in. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.